Hello, 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 hello. Good day on the other end of the computer. How are you enjoying yourself? Okay, let's get started. We have a topic before us today, data science in Microsoft Excel. Can data science be done in Microsoft Excel? Just hold on. Don't be quick to say yes or no. Before this can be answered, the person trying to answer it should know what data science is and what it's all about. Data science. So I just drawing conclusion, cleaning and processing data to draw conclusion, to interpret data, to bring out the trends in a data. That is data science. So can Excel, Microsoft Excel, actually be used for data science? I would say yes, it can be used for data science, but it is not effective for data science. Drop your comments. Do you think it can be used for data science? Drop your comments. Now, an effective tool for data science is Python, using Python programming language, or using the R programming language. So, but today we'll do something very little with data in Excel, bringing out something in data science. So let's get started. Let's see what we can do. Before you have a screen on a sheet showing on your screen, which is basically an Excel sheet. And if you can see clearly, you see it has two columns, date and status. And the different status, different dates have different status. Good. Now, let's say we have a question which is on the board, which is this: get the duration of all status not closed. We want to get the duration for all status not closed. First and foremost, for you to get the duration of all status not closed, you should know that you are working with date data. Okay, let's say duration not closed, not closed, duration of status not closed. So the first thing we should think of, how can we get the duration using dates, the dates. Now to get that we have to use the year we are in, which is simple this. Say sorry, year, year, okay, now plus this minus year of the dates A2. Mind you, this it gives you this. You say it's not correct, but mind you, just go up to your number under your home tab, the number group, will change it back to a general tab. You should have the date there, correct? So you have the duration. So for 2018 to 2021 is 3 years. That's the duration for all the dates, irrespective of close or not close. That is the duration. Now, how can we get the duration of those not closed, of all the tickets not closed? Now, it's simply logic. It's simply logic. And we're going to do this. Keep this formula in mind. Then we can come here and say if, using if, logical test, if status good equals to what? Equals to close. Is that capital C? Yes, capital C. If status equals to close, it should do what? It should do nothing. Or it should put zero. Then, if status S, it should do what? S, if the status is not closed, it should do what? It should get the duration, which is what? Which is what? Remind me, which is date. Sorry, yeah, yeah. Okay, now minus yeah. brackets A2 should get this for me. But I end this. So you see this, the status is closed. When I drag down and come to assign, it gives me this name. Good. So what is the problem here? The problem here is in my now. I am using it as a variable which is not declared, so it doesn't know it. So I have to put those brackets to close it down. You see? So everywhere it sees the status that is not closed, it gives me what? It gives me the duration. Now, if I'm to get the duration, this I'll just drag down to get duration, and this will give me the duration. Then the average duration, to get the average duration, is very, very easy. So I can say average duration, which is average, sorry, equal to average of what? Of this cell. This is the average duration of all the tickets not closed. The average duration of all the tickets not closed. Now you can also do some other things from this data. You can do some other things like from the date I've shown you over and over again. You can break that. You can extract the date, the month, and the year. So I can say equal to date A2. Okay, what are you saying? Sorry, but not date, but day A2. Good. I can say month, equal to month A2. I can say equal to year A2. So you see, it brings out this for me. Second, this, that. And if I so wish to get this other stuff and in longer format, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. So Excel can actually be used for little data science. Moreover, it's not advisable to use Excel for data science. It's not advisable to use Excel for data science. Like in a situation where we're anxious to get the numbers of, I use Excel to do this. We're anxious to get the numbers of all average ticket not resolved, not closed, not resolved, not closed, not closed. Let me Okay, this is the file you're seeing on your screen. We want to get, we have this is a very large file. We're asked to get the average numbers of those of the tickets neither resolved nor closed. I was able to do this using Excel. You see, though the formula is a very kind of lengthy formula, gotten from this cell. You see, gotten from this cell. You see the formula very long. You can see the formula in your in your formula bar. Uh, Let me put this across so you can see it very clearly. So you can see it very clearly. The formula in the formula bar. You see, so Excel can actually be used for data science purposes, but it is not advisable to use Excel because it will not be fast, it will slow down your work, and you have to, it will stress you a lot. Thank you very much for watching these videos. See you again tomorrow and enjoy yourself. Bye.